In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media to Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin, how to connect your social profiles, and how to save everything properly so those icons show up on your online store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control panel for your store, where you manage products, orders, and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the lower left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. When the settings page opens, it will automatically land on your general settings. This area controls a lot of core details about your store. Scroll down this page until you find a section called Store Assets. Under that heading, you'll see an option labeled Brand. Click on Brand to open your brand settings. Inside the brand settings, scroll all the way down toward the bottom of the page. You're looking for a section called Social Links. This is where Shopify lets you add and manage the social media accounts that will appear on your storefront, usually in the footer or sometimes in the header, depending on your theme. In the Social Links section, you'll see a drop-down box. Click on that drop-down and you'll see a list of popular social media platforms you can connect, such as Facebook, Instagram, or others supported by Shopify. Choose the social media platform you want to add. As soon as you select it, Shopify will add it to the list below, and you'll see a dedicated text box appear for that platform. In that text box, paste or type the full URL of your social media profile. For example, instead of just the username, make sure you include the complete link starting with HTTPS, so Shopify can create a proper clickable icon. If you want to add another social media platform, simply click the drop-down again, choose the next platform from the list, and repeat the same process. A new text box appears, and you enter the full link to that profile. You can add multiple platforms this way, one after another, keeping everything organized in one place. Once you're done adding all your social links, look toward the top of the page. Near the search bar, you'll see a Save button. Click Save to apply your changes. This step is important. If you navigate away without saving, your social links won't appear on your store. After saving, your social media icons should now be connected and ready to display on your Shopify storefront.